For lesson 6, it's asking you to switch to the Win screen and use the project guide to design that screen. If you click here and go to Win, you'll notice there's nothing on it. You need to be careful that you are using the IDs that are listed here on the side. So I'm going to pull over a text label and another text label and a button. This first text label is going to be called Winner, and I'm going to leave it blank. But I'm going to change the font to probably 32. And then I'm going to click on the next one, and that says Wins Text for the ID, and the text is going to be Wins. And that one I'm going to make maybe 36. It's even not big enough. 48. Ugh, still 65. There we go. I'm going to change this one to 56. And then I can test to see how big that's going to be. Alright, yeah, that works. And then the button is going to be called Replay, and it's going to say Play Again. That looks like it is probably maybe 48. I'm going to add also at the top a image. I need to get this to show up for a second. Alright. Just want to make sure. Just going to put blue for right now. I want to make sure it fits. There we go. I'm going to name this player, and color, or emoji, I guess. Emoji color. And I'm going to change the image to a smiling emoji, and what I'm going to do is change the color of it when that person wins. So, fun. That's it for this level.